Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
For this operation, get the cabin filter, which you will find in the video description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. The cabin filter is located on the passenger side under the glove box. Using a pry bar, remove the two plastic rivets holding the cover under the glove box by prying out the center part. Using a flathead screwdriver, pry out the three tabs holding the cover. Remove the cover under the glove box. Using a T20 Torx screwdriver, unscrew the first bolt holding the base of the glove box. Open the glove box. Then unscrew the last two bolts holding the base of the glove box. Remove the base. Press on the cabin filter shield tab and pull it towards you, moving it back and forth slightly. Pull out the cabin filter, which is in two parts. You can use a pair of pliers to help.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
There are several types of cabin filters. The white ones mainly to stop dust. The black ones are activated carbon filters and filter out dust, odours and gases. There's now a new generation of filters on the market. Perflux has developed Cabin HEPA Plus cabin filters, which filter out virus-sized particles and offer 50 times the protection of traditional cabin filters. The choice is yours. Before putting in the new one, it is important to clean off the remaining impurities from inside the filter compartment. Reposition the two small filters, paying close attention to how you hold them up. The arrows must point towards the back of the vehicle. Put the first one in place, pushing down on it once it has been inserted. Ensure that the tab sticks out a little. Then put the second one in. Put the flange back on. Put the glove box base back on, then screw the first two bolts back in. Then the third. Put the cover back on the glove box, inserting the center part of the first plastic rivet, and then the second. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.